Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Dina, I want to know about you. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, I can. I'm Dina Lestari. You can call me Dina. I was born in Simalanggang 2 January 2002. So right now, I'm 18 years old. I'm come from Payakumbuh, 50 Kota. And here, I'm studying in Padang University. I'm majoring in psychology. My favorite food is chicken noodles. My favorite drink is green tea, and my favorite color is blue. I'm speaking about hobby. My hobby is reading, and my favorite days are Saturday and Sunday because that days I can be refreshing. Okay, now how about yourself?
Okay. My name is Noviliana. You can call me Liana, Yana, Anna, or April. Up to you. And I live in Bukit Tinggi and now 18 years old. My favorite food is sate and my favorite drink is lemon tea. And now I'm majoring in psychology Universitas Negeri Padang. Okay, now can you tell me about your family?
Yes, I can. Uh, There are five people in my family. There are my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me, of course. Okay, let me to tell you about my family. First, my father. My father name is Sukarni. My father is in 55 years old, and his job is a farmer. Second, my mother. My mother name is Adele. My mother is in 52 years old and her job is a housewife. Third, my brother. My brother name is Rivaldi. My brother is in 25. Anna?
My mother's name is Irmawati. He is uh, 45 years old, and my mother's name is Siopendi. Now I want to know you more. How about your personalities?
Okay, I want to tell you about my personalities. I'm Dina Tari. I have a pleasant personality. I love hanging out, but I'm shy if I meet new people. I'm also an extrovert, but don't dominate. I'm also open mind, so I have a lot of friends. Sometimes I become an annoying, short-tempered, and selfish person. I love learning hard and working hard because I'm so ambitious with what I want. Now, how about you, Anna?
I'm a cheerful child, but can also mellow about minor problems. I'm patient, easygoing, but I have flaws like worry. Now, I want to hear about simple present tense. What do you know about the simple present tense?
In the simple present tense, there are four rules that I know, like this. First, for positive sentence, we don't use the auxiliary verb. Second, for negative and interrogative sentence, we use the auxiliary verb to do. Example, uh, I don't like pizza. Third, for the third person singular, see, he, it, we add s to the man. Verb is the tense is in the affirmative, or es to the auxiliary if the verb is in the negative or interrogative. Example, she likes to work, and does she like to work? For, for the verb to be, we don't use an auxiliary, even for question and negative. Example, he is young. Now, can you mention an example of using the simple present tense, Anna?
Okay, Dina. Um, for the use of simple present tense, in the use of simple present tense, the ending is added with an s. Example, say, chance to be safe. Example, Sonia says everything is going to be alright. Uh, Next, buy, to be a chance to be buys. Example, Budi buys new console games. Uh, then the verb ending of the change to be IES. Examples, study change to be studies, carry change to be carries, and then we using do for subject IU Devi, does for subject he, she, it. Mm, what do you know about the present continuous tense, Dina?
Okay, the present continuous is made from the present tense of the verb be and the ing form in the verb. We can using present continuous tense in telling someone activities and report an event that is happening. Can you tell me? Can you telling someone activity, Sana?
Okay, Dina. I want to telling someone activities. It's my mother, and my mother is cooking in the kitchen. My mother loves cooking. I think my mother's cooking is very good. Currently, my mother will make chicken curry. My mother bought a chicken at the market this morning. My mother asked me to help her rake it. I also happily helped my mother cook. First of all, I cleaned the pan to use the chicken curry while my mother was cleaning and cutting up the chicken. And then after that, my mother prepared the spice to cook the chicken curry. My mother startling the spice while I helped to grate the coconut and did not forget that I immediately squeezed the coconut milk from the grated I had grated. After that, I put the coconut milk into the pan while my mother stirred the curry until it was cooked. After the chicken curry was cooked, my mother and I immediately ate chicken curry deliciously, accompanied by a plate of rice and watching TV together. Can you report an event that is happening in your environment, Dina?
Okay, Anna. Talking about events that is happening in my environment. Events that are held in my environment are usually in the field of sport, such as volleyball, futsal cup, and motocross. What has recently been held is motocross on 26 and 27 September 2020. This event was attended by Sumatra's foremost racers and witnessed by thousands of spectators. I happen to be one of the committee. This event has been prepared in advance. Start from the research training every Saturday and Sunday afternoon. A week before the event, we are very busy preparing everything. Alhamdulillah, this event went well, despite getting a little reprimand from the police for hold and even during this pandemic.
How the structure of simple past tense you know?
The structure of simple past tense I know. First, for positive form, subject plus verb to. Example, I started. To negative form, subject plus didn't plus verb 1. Example, I didn't start. 3. Question form, did plus subject plus verb 1. Example, did I start? Okay, can you tell me about your unforgettable experience, Anna?
Okay, I will tell about my unforgettable experience with my mother when we went on a tour the tea garden. At the time, I went with 5 of my friends. We left in the morning at 8 in the morning and we gathered at my house. We heard an Avanza car for our trip. I was very happy at that time because I could go on vacation with my best friends. While on long and relaxing trips, we passed the time by joking and singing together. I didn't think the trip to tea garden was very far and tiring, right? But it all paid off with the natural beauty that I saw in the garden. You can see a vast expanse of the garden as far as the eye can see. Okay,
Okay, that's
that's
enough from us.
now from us. Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.